Hey guys, going to do a recap. Let me go ahead and go get all these off the board. I hope y'all had a good day trading. I'm going to go at the pre-market, just going to go over MLGO, smoking moves. It must have been a low float. I'm going to double check that right now. I just took another trade on that one, 988 break. Basically right here, yeah, you have a 4 million float, so it basically ran up some targets right here. And then this was the entry of the day. So right here, you're basically having people cannot break this 533 area right here from all these tries right here. So from the 4, the 7, and then right here, it was downtrending pretty hard actually. And then it broke that 516, that's where I got in, and you went straight into a halt. I did get out of the halt and got back in at this, 730. This was a slow grinder. I think we all watched this for a little too long. And then right here, what you'll see is that eventually it'll get tighter, tighter, tighter. The last sell-off came here, and then here, one more shoot up. It had about 2 million, and then another 2 million candle right here, and then it started teetering off. And then on the last two moves, you'll start seeing something a little different, and then it should take a little break. So we're going to count down: 1 breakdown, 2 breaks down, 3 breaks down, 4, and then start looking for a break. It broke out for a little bit, and then it came back and pulled back at that same area, but buyers are holding on to their shares, and sellers are not selling right here. So when I call it basing, when a stock's going to just maintain this level right here, and you'll see the stock at the bottom of the side going up like this. Here's the top side. Even though it did that breakout, it came down, big sell-off, and then a re-break right there. And then what you'll see is you'll see another level here. I didn't get any of these trades, so I'm just going to be jealous. Right here, this one re-break here, pretty fast run. You'll see the small one, then you'll see the larger one. After the very big, large breakout over that trade, and then you'll see the same thing. You'll see it breaking down. I'll take that trade right there. That's 2 run-ups on a target 2 from that break of that pimp out. You'll see the stock getting less wide if you're getting a little more keen, and then it tightens up and then it explodes again. Now it's clear up trending right here, and then here really proved itself. That's when somebody really stepped in with a lot of shares, about almost 1 million average for the next 4 candles right here. Big run up right here. So if you're watching, you just got to watch pretty keenly right here. And if it can break at this part, it will run again. Big run up, missed all those, just working. And then I just wait around. So what I wait around for is, well, I let it downtrend. I let it retrend, took some of those trades. Let it come down and then break this level again. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and you'll see the buyers finally tightening up on this trade. And right here, it'll break out the target 1, and then you'll see it stop right here at that 960 area right here. Popped up again, come down, same thing, 990 area, popped up again. And you can still be making these little trades right here. And you'll see me drawing trend lines, because after they fall down, they pop up, they fall down, they pop up, they fall down, and they do pop up. I just took this trade right here. This is a pretty easy one to see. You'll see a nice easy stair step on this one. Right to target 1. Yeah, you'll see it real easy. Here, here, and then the break. So right here, I'll draw my fibs and take my target 1 trade, and then look, it just fights a little bit before it goes again. And if it goes again, I'll get in, but I'm probably going to be very, very patient, wait for the 1022 area, which looks like the bottom of these cards right here. Otherwise, I'm going to let it go, because as long as I can watch it, pop, watch it, pop, all good. Just waiting for the sell-off candles to stop selling, and then the buyers to come in. So that's all I'm looking for. Great trades on that one. Let's check out some other pre-markets. Sober did a little bit more. Again, I don't do penny stocks. Think of the person that bought here, maybe 10,000 shares with a penny stock, got slammed, and then maybe here's the confirmation for me to get in. Here's the shallow W. a little less here, and then it breaks here. And then right here, shallow W, when it doesn't do off the little area, this will be your next break. You'll possibly see one there. And then right here, you'll see inverted head and shoulder. Here's a shoulder, head, shoulder, then a break. So just be looking very keen at those things. You'll start seeing them. You'll see this, you'll see the head, you'll see the shoulder, and you'll see it break over that. You can always just say, I'll take over this area, which is fine. Just got to make sure when you take it every time that you're taking it. This is a market open, that helped. And then you'll see the stock go down here, and now you see the uptrend right here from this mark. So this will be down. I'm sure an indicator will already be going up, and you could have got in early or just taken a nice slow grind here. I just don't know how to calculate because I scalping on penny stocks. I don't know. They don't find very profitable to me. Here's the 1 day MLGO killer. Still producing trades. I mean, with a big down slot, people are thinking there's the value on VWAP, still above VWAP. Still taking trades. Here's that one that could go right down to here. This is that fib drawing, right back to target one in 1 minute or less. So that's a 30-cent move right there. And if you don't think you need 30-cent moves, look at this, 2,500. You can get 2,500 shares in a 30-cent move, and you got 600 bucks. That's pretty good. Or a little bit more than that if I calculate my math right. But VSTE, got some in the car on this one. I will tell you the one I got in the car was this one. I was driving, it was about noon, somebody said, hey, VSTE. So all I did was wait for it to break down and then started stair-stepping up again. So here's one, here's two, here's the break of this, broke VWAP, touched VWAP, and went some more. I did not get this move. I was eating lunch. Can't get them all, but you know, as long as you get some of your moves, I don't need to be a rich man. I just need to be a consistent man. And then a lot of breaks of VWAP right here. Still downtrending. You can see this wider, wider, wider. Then it gets a little tighter, and then it breaks out just for a little bit of a move because people are looking in the same place where they got this, where it started. So we're going to check out some other stocks real quick. CCM, I think I heard Wolf by Donna. Go check out here. Hello. Still looks a little algo traded to me, which looks like a barcode. Thank God Rob pointed that out. Some pretty big moves, but I don't know. Like once I miss some of these moves, I just gotta let it go because the stock's really, it's making predictable maneuvers right here. You'll see this level. That's a pretty easy, predictable move to see that one. And then I think we're so far away from after hours. I'm gonna go look at Wolf since Donna posted it up. And this is probably what some big dogs are posting because they are look at that. Big run up. Then it gets other people's attention. We'll see if the news is worthy. I still don't like the volume on this, so I just personally don't trade that. But yeah, you can get some VWAP bounce. Here's a shallow W off of VWAP bounce, a little less, meaning that's an order book area. Order book area is basically when it can't go any lower because everybody's holding their shares. That just people are happy not to sell off, and these people are happy to drive it back up. Basically because nobody's selling, they're holding. So if they weren't holding, the price wouldn't go higher because you're saying, ooh, this is my stock, not your stock. Hey, y'all have a great day. If y'all need any help, reach out for some privates. I will be doing some pre-market live trading coming soon, 5 days a week. So if you want to get with that program, it'll be a year. I'll probably do a year subscription for that. And also I'll be doing full teaching during that of all the stuff I watch so you can day trade perfectly after that. So reach out, get into that program. And if not, enjoy your day. Just keep watching these videos and pick up what you can pick up because that's kind of how I picked up my stuff. But then I always back test it. So if you learn anything, even from me, Rob, anybody that you respect, back test it. Part of back testing, and then you have to live test it. Live testing is taking lower shares and getting used to it, and then you can put a little bit more money as time goes on. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.